Here Akhil Srivastava teaching you maths of class 10th, application of trigonometry, height and distance, exercise 9.1. Previous lecture I have finished till the question number 3. Now you will see the question number 4 of this exercise. The angle of elevation of top of tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. Angle of elevation of top of tower, very simple question. Angle of elevation of top of a tower which is 30 meter away from this is given very simply 30 degree. This is AB is a tower, C is a point where you are standing, and angle of elevation making 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. Simply you will get. So what are you doing here? Simply you are getting 30 meter. So you want to find out this height of the tower. Tan 30. Tan 30 is P upon B, AB upon AC. Put the values. Tan 30 value 1 by root 3. AB is given H upon 30. So root 3H is equal to 30. Then H is equal to 30 by root 3. But denominator you rationalize by class 9th, you remember, very important point. So 30 root 3 by 3 gives you 10 root 3 meter. The statement you write and give the answer. Question number 2. Question number 2 you will see. In the question number 2, it is a question number 5 of exercise. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. Kite is flight at a height of 60 meter. First thing, kite is a flight at a height of 60 meter. Here is the kite, a point A. How much meter? 60 meter from the ground. Another part, what is given? B is a ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground, and the inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. It is tied a point. Here is a point, suppose C, and the string is tied at this place, which makes 60 degree with the ground. What do you want to find out? The inclination of the string 30 degree. Find the long length of the string, assuming there is no slack. There is no slack in the string. There is slack means generally string is like this, but there is no slack. You will suppose it is a straight. You want to find out this, not this. This you want. It means you will apply the sine. Sine 60 degree is equal to AC upon AB, not perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is the perpendicular? AB upon AC. Sine 60 root 3 by 2, AB 60 degree upon x. So x root 3 is equal to 2 into 60. Apply, then x is equal to 120 upon root 3. Rationalize this. What will you get? 120 root 3 by 3, 3 4 ja. So your answer is 40 root 3 meter of the length of string. 40 root 3 meter is the length of string. Question number 6. I hope it is a clear, very simple question. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at a distance of 30 meter tall building. 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at a 1.5 meter tall boy. AB is a boy and CB is a building. Both are forming 90 degree with the ground. First thing, what is given, that you draw. 30 meter tall building. Some distance is not given. The angle of elevation of his eye to the top of the building is 30 degree. His eye is where? Here. Angle of elevation, it means in dotted line must be here. And this will be the angle of, don't do the mistake this side. Angle of, suppose I am a boy, my angle is there. Angle of elevation there from horizontal line, like this. Eyelids will be up 30 degree. and sixth question, and the 30 degree to 60 degree as he walked towards the building. No, it is given elevation of eyes to the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walked towards the building. He is walking towards the building. He is walking. Now he is at this place. Now he is at this place. At this place. He walks towards the building. And then angle of elevation it changes to how much? 60 degree. Now it is 60 degree. Again there is a problem. Where is 60? Again you draw a line like this, and here it is the 60 degree. Earlier it was 30 degree, now it is 60 degree, and this total height is given 30 meter. And here E. A, B, C, D, E, F and G. These are the points. Now your right triangle is not, it is a rectangle bottom. It is also 1.5 meter. It is also 1.5 meter because of rectangle. AB is equal to FG is equal to EC is equal to 1.5 meter. Your question is what? What is the question? In the question, find the distance he walked towards the building. Your question, you want to find out this. BG you want to find out. So how will you do? Two right triangles. First of all, you find out D. D is equal to DC minus EC. 30 meter minus 1.5 meter, you get 28.5 meter. It is 28.5, this part, till here. These right triangles you will take. These two right triangles will take and get the solution. These two right triangles, and distance walk will be this. It is x, then here it is also x. So AF you want to find out, AE minus EF. So in triangle ADE, in triangle ADE, tan 30, ADE, tan 30 is equal to DE upon AE. Tan 30 1 by root 3 is equal to, what is the D? 28.5 upon AE. You are getting, AE you are getting, so AE is equal to, what is AE? Cross multiply, AE is equal to 28.5 root 3. You are getting a distance of point, first point from the building. In triangle DEF, tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to DE upon EF. This triangle, DEF, DE upon EF. So tan 60 is root 3. D is given 28.35 upon EF. So EF is equal to 28.5 by root 3. Rationalize it. You are getting 28.5 into root 3 by 3. 3 9 ja 3 5 ja. 9.5 root 3. It is the EF. But your answer is not these two. This is the first point distance from the building. It is the second point distance from the building. So distance covered, distance moved means X you want. That is BG. You want to BG. How much distance he moved? That is calculated by AE minus EF. What is the AE? This total distance minus this distance. 28.5 root 3 minus 9.5 root 3. So root 3 is common. 28.5 minus 9.5 root 3. Like shirts. 19 root 3 meter. How much distance he walked? 19. 5 minus 5, 0. 18 minus 9, 9 and 2, 1. 19 root 3 meter is the distance covered by the boy change 30 to 60 degree. That's all for today, and next video I will tell the rest part. Thanks.